So today I'm going to install a pond. So I'm digging out this hole, working out how much space I'm going to need. So this is the pond liner. We got it from Gumtree, free. So I'm just measuring the hole, trying to make the level, bottom of it level. And we're not doing too bad. Needs a bit more work. Need to make it a bit more level. Just level up the bottom. We're doing quite good. Just going to add a bit more soil just to level the bottom off, just so it's not wobbly. So when the water fills, it'll fill nice and evenly. So we're doing good. There we go. Just to make it level, just making sure it's all flat, and no bumpy. Make sure there's no soil in the centre, and then we can start to backfill the sides in. Pressing it down firmly as we go, working our way all around the sides, pressing it down all the way around. these are some pansies. Just going to stick them in the gaps between the stones. These are yellow. We've got a mixture of violas and pansies. We're just going to spread these around, make a nice colourful display. And they all come through. And make a lovely, lovely display all around the outside of the pond. Also give a bit of cover. We've also got the stones in the middle of the pond, just so any animals and critters fall in the pond, they can easily escape. There we go. Pretty good. So there we go. There's our pond. All three. Stone just from the garden. Pond from gum tree. Watch the wildlife come into the garden. Watch all these pansies and viola grow. They look really good. So I get some pond plants from the pond at the allotment. I'll bring some of those down. Some oxidating plants. And that would be great. Good job done.